Hey guys, Ray here with Mastermind Traders Academy. Welcome again to another video. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about multiple time frames. It is confusing for a lot of traders when using time frames because they will see a trend on a larger time frame and they'll move to a smaller time frame and they're also seeing a different view of the market. So I want to kind of break it down for you guys step by step. All right, so we are actually on the pound dollar and we're looking at the daily chart right here. So we have the daily chart, we have the forward chart, and we also have the 60 minute. Now, this is the three time frames that I typically trade from. I use the daily chart for direction. I use the 4 hour to basically give me a setup, and I use the 1 hour for execution. All right, now looking at the pound dollar right here. And we're seeing over the past few weeks that price has literally been consolidating here. Now, looking at the daily chart, it doesn't seem that much. All we're seeing here is a lot of indecision candles, indecision candles, indecision candles, which means that there is no offer or bid in the market at this point that's going to push price upwards or going to push price downwards. So the market is literally going sideways. Now, where a lot of traders get crucified, get killed in the market, lose their trading account is here. All of this. This is where traders get screwed constantly. So you will have a trader who made money on their way down on this trend and they feel good, their ego is all boosted, and then when it gets to this section where the market's consolidating, that ego is still within them and therefore they're still trying to trade themselves out of this. And very often everything that they would have gotten here, they lost it here inside this little area of consolidation. So I want to break it down for you guys a little bit. Now, when you're looking at a daily chart, the first thing you want to determine is which direction price is going. Now, in this case, price is just literally going sideways. So for me, there's really not much of a trading opportunity at this point. So if I was going to look for a trading opportunity, I would have to look for a resistance level and a support level. Now, as a professional trader, yeah, I can trade within the ranges, but for new traders, I would not recommend it. So right now, let's sync that. So if I place a drawing tool, if I do this on the daily chart and place a resistance level above this area right here. Now, I'm going to make it as simple as possible for any new trader to trade the market. I'm giving away something here for free, guys. All right, so what you want to do is first and foremost, you got to have some patience. You got to have that patience or you're going to be screwed at the end of the day. So you want to identify your resistance level. You next want to identify your support level here. So you can actually see that price has been trading within a range, right? And we're seeing this on the daily chart. We're seeing it on the forward chart. And look what's going on the 1 hour time frame. Now, as a professional trader, we can actually trade from top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom. But as a newbie, I would not recommend it as I just stated. So if you're a new trader and you're looking to trade the market, the best opportunity to trade the market when price is trending is wait for price to break out. So the one thing you want to do is keep an eye on the daily chart, not even this time frame right here. Keep an eye on the daily chart or keep an eye on the forward chart. So what you're going to do is wait for price to break out of that area of resistance or break down through support. And once we get a break of, let's say, resistance levels, now that's where you realize that now we have the buying pressure pushing price outside of this area of consolidation. Because bear in mind this, over the past few weeks, Not one trader in the entire world was willing to buy price higher than these levels. Not one. So once we see that price breaks out, it simply means there's interest in pushing price upwards. Now you're not going to just get in just because price broke out of a resistance level. Now, what you're going to do is say, okay, now that price breaks out of a resistance level on my daily chart and closes, very important, break and actually close above these levels. So we're looking for a close above 1.3600. Now, once we get that break above 1.3600, what we're doing now is we're now going to keep an eye on this level right here. So we're going to now keep an eye on this level, and when price pulls back into this level of support, so what was once resistance now becomes support, this is where you're going to look to trade the market. Now that you've gotten your breakout on the larger time frame, you're now going to move to your smaller time frame. So you're going to look for your 4-hour chart or your 1-hour time frame. So what you're going to do, let's go to the 1-hour chart here. So what you're going to do, now that you've gotten that breakout, let's do this. So now that you got that breakout above here, you're going to see the breakout here. Now, once price breaks out at this level, as I mentioned before, this now becomes your area of trading opportunity. We are now waiting for price to pull back into this set level of support right here, or anywhere within this area. We're looking for price to pull back into this level of support. And what we're going to actually do now is wait for a price pattern. So we're going to be looking for a head and shoulder pattern. We're going to look for a double bottom. We're going to look for some bullish confirmation signal that says, yeah, this small reversal is holding at this level of support and price is ready to go long. This is basically what we'd be looking to see in the market. Price breaks out, boom. I'm not sure how far price is going to break out, but let's say price breaks out. We're not going to chase the market, guys. We do not chase after price. We let price come to us. So once the market breaks out on your larger time frame and closes above this said level, then on your smaller time frame, you're going to start seeing a downtrend at this point on your smaller time frame. So usually, if this level is actually going to hold, we're going to start seeing consolidation. We're going to be seeing some level of consolidation here. Once we've determined that this level is actually holding and we're seeing that level of consolidation, guess what? It's just a matter of waiting for that pattern. So that pattern could be, boom, price rally back upwards. Now what's happening on your smaller time frame? What's happening on your smaller time frame is that this temporary downtrend has now reversed back to an uptrend. As soon as price breaks this high and pulls back into a level of support, that's your buying opportunity right there. Your stop loss is below these lows, and boom, you take the trade all the way to the bank. What you're doing is you're identifying your major resistance levels, your major support levels, then you're waiting for those breakouts, and once you see that breakout, you're waiting for a return back to support level or back to the foundation or structure, different terminologies. And once price gets to these levels, you're simply waiting for a price pattern to emerge, and then you execute your trade. It's not that difficult. The point is, you have to be patient. You have to sit and be patient. And anyone that tells you that Forex trading is exciting, it's not. To the extent of trading the financial market or trading the largest financial market in the world, yeah, that's an exciting feeling. But once you're a professional trader, once this is what you do on a daily basis, yeah, trading can become boring because you're now sitting and waiting for price to break out of these levels, either to the upside or to the downside, before you're able to get into a trade. So With that said, guys, I will keep you posted. I do have a few trades that I'm looking at, so I'll keep you guys updated over the next few hours or day or so. Until next time, I hope this was helpful. Leave a comment below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.